Okay, so when we're talking about two lines, this is what is known as a system of equation. So basically on this problem, they're giving you two equations and they're asking you to match it with a table. So let's start off with the first one here. So it's y equals 1.75x plus 3.5. This one belongs to this first line f. You're going to convert that to a table. Let's type in the values there. 2, 4, 7, 11. The other ones you don't need it, so we delete them. Does it match these numbers? 7, 10.5, 15.75, and 22.75. Yes, it does. But now, do not go put this in answer yet until you check the second line. So it's going to be y equals, let me open up decimals right here. So it's going to be y equals negative 4x minus 8. Again, we're still in number 1. Convert that to a table. Now we're going to type in these values here. Negative 3, negative 2, 1, and 4. Let's delete this one. We don't need it. Let's check those values. 4, 0, negative 12, negative 24. So as you can see, all these points are in line F, and all these points are in line G because they match. And our answer right here, it is F. And that's all you do. It's the same thing as you're doing one line, but now you're going to check two lines instead.